It was supposed to be a normal morning, solar panels, sunlight, and a quiet home in Sydney. But for a 75-year-old woman, that morning turned into a nightmare that she can never escape. A man she let into her house for work. That man she's trusted. That same man became the reason that her home no longer feels safe. This is the story that has shaken complete Australia. In April 2024, 45-year-old Amol Vijay Dhumal, an Indian origin electrician, arrived at the home as a part of solar panel installation team. 3 subcontractors, routine work, nothing unusual. Until one question changed everything. At the end of the job, Dhumal asked her for a simple thing. Who do you live with? Then, when he learned that she lived alone, his behavior shifted. He hugged her, tried to kiss her, and also reminded him of his mother. Well, that woman asked him to leave immediately. She thought it was just over, but it wasn't. 2 days later, Dhumal returned, claiming that there was an issue with the power inside the house again and began asking personal questions about her children, about loneliness. Then he spoke about his own marriage, saying that his wife never was intimate with him. Months later, according to the court, he forced himself on that lady. What followed was violence, injury, and trauma that would never redefine her life again. In court, the woman didn't just describe the crime, she described the aftermath as well. She said she was the only existing non-living thing. She felt like a prisoner between that time. But she also mentions a detail about that her home, once a place of peace, became a place of horror almost immediately. A jury found Dhumal was guilty of the sexual assault without the consent. He was also sentenced 5 years of prison. And with that, yet even after the verdict, the case looked very disturbing, turning a 75-year-old person into a massive trauma. While Dhumal is acclaimed for an assault, he is also getting punished for 5 years. He didn't return after to the jail. His wife appeared in the court, standing by him, calling him loving and respectful. Well, that's very contradictory. But the evidence told a very different story. This case is not just about one crime, it's about the trust, it's about the safety, and it is about how quickly an ordinary moment can turn into a lifelong trauma. With that being said, when people fear their own homes, something has gone terribly wrong. With that comes one question. In a world where even a help at your doorstep can turn dangerous, how do you protect yourself in the most vulnerable places outside?